Okay, so Assalamualaikum. Alright, okay, so we proceed to the second topics in the Laplace Transform chapter. Okay, for the last video, the previous video is about we call it as properties of the Laplace Transform, right? So today we will continue with the another topics, which is Laplace Transform for unit step function. Okay, the Laplace transform for unit step function. Alright, so basically, okay, before this, okay, the equation to find or to get the Laplace transform is given by this. Okay, Laplace transform for function is equal to fs. Alright, so now what's mean by unit step function is your ft, okay, your ft is no longer exponential and so on. It's in terms of ut minus a. So what it means is you find the Laplace transform for ut minus a to get the answer. So means that the unit step function is given by this term. Okay, unit step function is given by this term. And the answer is 1 over s e power of negative as. Okay, so clearly that you can see here, this is a, right? So means that this a is lead to this answer lah. Ataupun kata lain, this a is depend on this a. Okay, it must be equal lah. Okay, so here is the Laplace transform for unit step function. Right, so for example, I give you an example. Okay, for example, the question asks you to determine the Laplace transform for ut minus 3. Find the Laplace transform for unit step function, okay, ut minus 3. So just refer to this formula. Okay, just refer to this formula. So that means the answer is 1 over s e power of, what is your a here? What is your a? Your a here is 3. 3 no, not negative 3, is 3. Okay, your a is 3, not negative 3, bukan. Okay, because you need to compare with this equation, t minus a, t minus 3. So means that your a here is 3. So the equation or the answer is 1 over s e power of negative. Okay, negative is referred to this negative. A here is 3 and s. So simple. Okay, just a simple question, simple answer. Okay, for example, example 2. Okay, determine the Laplace transform for ut minus 6. So the answer here is 1 over s e power of negative. Okay, what is your a here? Your a here is 6, right? So 1 over s e power of negative 6s. So this is the answer. Right? Okay, so now let's say you have an example to find or determine the Laplace transform for ut minus 3 minus ut minus 6. Okay, so if you can see clearly here, you have two unit step function here. Okay, what we do is, okay, by apply the linearity properties. Okay, you will learn this one before. You dah belajar pun before this by referring to the previous video. So what we do is, you split it or you break it. Okay, so this one the Laplace transform for ut minus 3 first, and then minus the Laplace transform for ut minus 6. And these two answer you already do it in example 1, example 2. So 1 over s e power of negative 3s minus 1 over s e power of negative 6s. Okay, so this is the simple question or simple example. So you can get the answer directly by using this formula, just by replacing your a. Okay, just by replacing your a. So now we proceed to the second type of unit step function. Okay, just now you have ut minus a, and the answer is by 1 over s e of negative as, right? Okay, this one the simple unit step function. Okay, so now we proceed to the second type, which is it's given by this. Okay, you can see here. Okay, just now the first one is ut minus a, just simple like that, ut minus a. For the second type, it's given they have two function that consists of t minus a. So ada dua, satu gt minus a, another one is ut minus a. Maksudnya for this case or for this type of unit step function, you have two t minus a in one ft. Okay, this is your ft, right? So you have gt minus a and ut minus a. And this one, the answer is given by e power of negative as gs. So how to solve this one? This one is simple. This one is easy. You just replacing your a, right? Okay, but for this one, they have a few steps that you need to follow. And what we do is we will apply what we call it as second shifting. Okay, so please don't get confused between first shifting and second shifting. It's quite similar. Okay, let's recall back. Okay, we recall back. Okay, we recall back. First shifting. Okay, first shifting is involve ft that consists of e, a, t, g, t, and the answer is given by gs minus a, right? Okay, now for second shifting, your ft now is in terms of gt minus a, ut minus a, and the answer, okay, the answer for this type of question is given by e negative as gs. Okay, please don't get wrong between these two. This is first shifting and this one is second shifting. And first shifting we apply for the normal Laplace or normal function. For second shifting, you will apply on unit step function. Okay, right? Clear on that one. Okay, so now I will show you how to solve the second type of unit step function by using second shifting. Okay, by using second shifting. Okay, so I will show you through the example.